Hey, Beau, what you doing?
Jaylene's making me clean the kitchen while she's out shopping.
Why's that?
Well,
what?
Well, we were having supper at a folks' house and I got drunk.
So? You always do that.
Yeah, but this time I tried to make out with her sister.
Well, they are twins. It's not like you tried to make out with your own sister or nothing like that.
Yeah, I knowed. Exactly.
So when's she coming home?
In a few hours.
Well, shoot. Look what I brought over. Let's have some fun. Then I'll help you clean up before she gets home.
Hell yeah, let's get to it. Okay, I'm gonna be Sub-Zero.
Well, do whatever you want, but let's be hidden characters instead of the same old, same old.
Yeah, no thanks. Smoke is lame, and so is that noob Cybot guy.
Not those hidden characters. This is a cracked game here, with totally new characters.
Boo Boo, Katie, She, El Wayne, Bieber, Swift, Minaj, Team Jacob, Lohan, Ashton, Wife Beater.
Look, you take that pretty boy from Twilight, and I'll be that Canadian feller, Justin Bieber.
But I wanted to be the Biebs.
Whatever. Go ahead. I'll be Team Jacob then.
Round 1, fight!
Get off me, Beau!
You like that one, don't you?
Bieber wins Ferrariality.
Okay, wise guy. Let's see how well you do with the sword. Now just hold the A and the B button as the life bars turn green.
Round 2, fight! Team Jacob wins decapitation. Round 3, fight!
How'd you do that? I want to be an animal too.
Hold the back buttons and press up and A at the same time.
Dinner is served.
That was stupid.
Hurry and press down and the B button so we can do the bonus round.
Selena Tag Team, fight! Finish her! Matrimoniality.
God damn it, Beau! I told you to clean them dishes for kissing my sister. And to think that I felt so bad for you, I even bought you a 6-pack of beer while I was out.
Really? For me?
Yeah, all for you. Here! If you thought washing them dishes was bad, wait till you see what I have in mind for you now.
Alright, here's my question. How many of you wear shoes? A lot of you? A lot of you wear shoes? I don't know about you, but I'm really getting tired of shoes.
Gee, Jaylene, we've watched Ellen for the last 5 hours, and I'm missing my NASCAR and my NFL.
Don't worry, Beau. There are only another 3 DVDs left in Volume 1. Then we can start on Volume 2.